What if you could eat the foods you love and have these foods love you back? Hello, my name is Laure, and for the last 10 plus years, I've been helping women just like you have a healthier relationship with food and lose weight. And what I have found over the years working with these women is that diets don't work, at least not on a long-term sustainable basis. Because every woman is unique. So over the years, I brought together everything I've learned working with dozens of women and studying the principles and wisdom of Ayurveda, yoga, digestive health, healthy cooking, and created a system to help women just like you achieve their goals. Feel better in your own body, heal your life in your own unique way. And yes, look good too.